Hi guys, good morning. I again woke up at about 6:30 after sleeping about 12:30, and I've been up since. I've been trying to sleep, but it's not happening. And then yesterday I thought it was because of heavy dinner. I mean, the night before I had one lacha paratha and makhni dal, but since yesterday I haven't done that since like. In fact, I've been on a pretty much a fast since yesterday afternoon 12:30. I haven't eaten anything. I had kulcha. I've eaten kulcha and chole, and since 12:30 yesterday, I haven't eaten anything. I've been on a fast. It's been a 20-hour fast now. A 20-hour fast. The longest fast I've done in like ever, I guess. I've been on a 20-hour fast. So I'm studying my body. Like scientists are studying this phenomena called autophagy. The cells heal and whatever happens during fasting. I'm also studying myself. I'm also trying to reduce that belly fat, but also I'm also trying to study what fasting does to the body. That's to my body. So I am the, what is that pig called? There's this term, right, that you experiment on. Yeah, there's some pig. It's not pig, it's just like a term. So I'm experimenting, I'm seeing what's gonna happen. But this morning my weight is 62.4, which is also the lowest I've gone since December, when I was over 71. So yeah, it's not that fasting hasn't helped, it has helped. But I'm still observing how long can I go. Catch you later.
ओ छुपाना हमसे जरा हाल दिल सुना दे तू, तेरी हंसी की कीमत क्या है ये बता दे तू. Hey guys, I just returned from the gym. It's about I think 7 p.m. I did 5 to 7 in the gym. 5 p.m. I did legs, and 6 to 7 I did boxing, which I do like once in a week. So I've just returned, and the last few days actually gym has been the only highlight of the day. I'm not being able to do much because my sleep is cracking somehow in the morning, even when I'm eating heavy, even I'm not eating heavy. So sleep is a bit of a issue, which is hampering the rest of my day. So I don't know what to do about it. I don't know, like right now I don't know why is it happening, but it's happening. Secondly, I also need to get my eyes checked because my eyes get dry, so I keep washing through the day, and I also use eye drops, but they get dry. So that's another thing I need to do. Right, the weather is nice. There are two shows tonight, this Friday, 9 and 11. So I'm going to quickly take a shower and I'm going to head for, I want to have dinner quickly, because again I had breakfast at 9:40 in the morning. 9:40. So it's been about 10 to 6 is 8, about 8 hours 20 minutes since I've had breakfast, and I think it'll be 2 more hours by the time I actually have it, at least 1 to 2 hours. So it'll be a break of 10 hours between breakfast and dinner. No lunch. I only had fruits. So I think I've eliminated one meal from the day successfully. Either breakfast or lunch I've eliminated. I'm tired right now. But yeah, that's it. Otherwise, I'm sounding low, but I'm not low. I'm just tired. Okay, catch you. Hey guys, that's one of my favorite dinners, where I have dinner at Guftagu. This is chicken breast, mashed potatoes and veggies. Hey guys, I usually do the day review before entering back home, but today I entered already. So Yeah, I skipped the 11 p.m. show because I did the jokes and 9 p.m. I realized my jokes ठीक से लिखे नहीं हुए. I mean the new jokes I'm trying to do because couple of jokes have been closed, but the new one I'm working on, it's not fleshed out properly, so I need to work on it. So I missed the 11 p.m. show और उसमें 15 लोग हो गए. गुस्सा आ रहा है मुझे. Anyway, so that happened, but I did the 9 p.m. show. I did kick-ass gym today. I did legs and I did boxing, which I do once a week, so it is great. Rest of the day I was drowsy and because my sleep has been cracking every morning for some reason or the other, and then I can't sleep later, and then I'm not been the energetic myself, you know, because of the last 2-3 days because my sleep's been cracking. I hope I can sleep uninterrupted tonight. I hope, you know. I don't know why it's been cracking. I just don't know. So yeah, so it's about the end of the day. I'm having some chai and then after that I'll go to sleep. Yeah. Bye.